What's the meaning of Chatsworth? Chatsworth. Chatsworth.
Chatsworth. Chatsworth. Chatsworth is a place name that originated in England. It refers to a village located in the county of Derbyshire, in the East Midlands region of the country. The name Chatsworth is believed to come from the Old English words Seata and were, which mean the farmstead of Seata. Chatsworth is famous for its stately home, Chatsworth House, which has been the seat of the Duke of Devonshire since the 16th century. The house features extensive gardens, parks, and sculptures, and attracts many visitors each year.